Hello everyone, welcome to Fxercise channel. 7 common diet mistakes that increase the risk of cancer. Eating processed foods. Eating processed foods can increase the risk of cancer in several ways. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy additives, preservatives, and refined carbohydrates, which can increase inflammation in the body and contribute to the development of cancer. Additionally, many processed foods are high in sugar and unhealthy fats, both of which can lead to weight gain and increase the risk of cancer. Processed foods are also often low in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which are essential for a healthy diet and can help to reduce the risk of cancer. Eating a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, can help to reduce the risk of cancer and promote overall health. It's also important to limit your consumption of processed foods, including sugary drinks, snacks, and junk food, and to choose healthier options whenever possible. Skipping meals. Skipping meals, especially breakfast, can increase the risk of cancer. When you skip meals, you are more likely to overeat later in the day, which can lead to an overall imbalance in calorie intake. This can result in weight gain, which is a known risk factor for several types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, and endometrial cancer. In addition, skipping meals can also lead to blood sugar imbalances, which can increase inflammation in the body and contribute to the development of cancer. Skipping meals can also reduce your intake of essential vitamins and minerals, which play a crucial role in maintaining good health and reducing cancer risk. It's important to eat regularly and not skip meals to maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of cancer. Eating a balanced breakfast, such as a bowl of whole grain cereal with milk and fruit, can also help to regulate your blood sugar levels and provide the energy and nutrients you need to start your day. Consuming too much alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can increase the risk of certain types of cancer, including liver, breast, and colorectal cancer. Excessive alcohol consumption can indeed increase the risk of several types of cancer. Drinking too much alcohol can damage the liver and increase the levels of harmful substances in the body, which can contribute to the development of liver cancer. Additionally, alcohol consumption has been linked to an increased risk of breast cancer, especially in women who drink regularly and in large amounts. Alcohol can increase the levels of estrogen in the body, which can stimulate the growth of certain types of breast cancer. Finally, excessive alcohol consumption has also been linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Alcohol can damage the cells in the colon and increase inflammation in the body, which can contribute to the development of cancer. It's important to limit alcohol consumption to reduce the risk of cancer and maintain good health. The American Cancer Society recommends that women limit their alcohol consumption to no more than 1 drink per day and that men limit their alcohol consumption to no more than 2 drinks per day. Drinking less, or not drinking at all, is the best way to reduce your risk of cancer and other health problems associated with alcohol consumption. Overeating red and processed meat. Consuming large amounts of red and processed meats has been linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Yes, that's correct. Consuming large amounts of red and processed meats has been linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Red meat, such as beef, pork, and lamb, is a good source of protein but is also high in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can increase inflammation in the body and contribute to the development of cancer. Processed meats, such as bacon, hot dogs, and deli meats, are also high in unhealthy additives, preservatives, and sodium, which can increase the risk of cancer. These meats are often high in nitrates, which can form harmful compounds in the body and increase the risk of cancer. To reduce the risk of colorectal cancer, it's important to limit your consumption of red and processed meats and choose healthier protein sources, such as poultry, fish, beans, and legumes. Incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet can also help to reduce the risk of cancer and promote overall health. Lack of fruits and vegetables in the diet. A diet lacking fruits and vegetables, which are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Yes, that's correct. A diet lacking in fruits and vegetables has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, which can help to protect the body from damage caused by harmful substances and reduce the risk of cancer. Additionally, Fruits and vegetables are also good sources of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which are essential for a healthy diet and can help to reduce the risk of cancer. A diet that is high in fruits and vegetables has been linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including colorectal, breast, and lung cancer. To reduce the risk of cancer, it's important to eat a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. The American Cancer Society recommends that adults eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, which can include fresh, frozen, canned, or dried options. Eating a variety of different colored fruits and vegetables can also help to provide a wide range of nutrients and maximize the potential health benefits. Being overweight or obese. Being overweight or obese increases the risk of several types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, endometrial, and kidney cancer. Yes, that's correct. Being overweight or obese increases the risk of several types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, endometrial, and kidney cancer. Excess body fat can increase the levels of hormones and inflammation in the body, which can contribute to the development of cancer. Additionally, being overweight and obese can also increase the risk of several other health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and stroke, which can further increase the risk of cancer. To reduce the risk of cancer, it's important to maintain a healthy weight and engage in regular physical activity. Eating a balanced diet that is low in processed foods, added sugars, and saturated fats and high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources can also help to support a healthy weight and reduce the risk of cancer. If you are overweight or obese, talk to your doctor about developing a healthy eating and physical activity plan that is right for you. Losing weight healthily and gradually, through a combination of diet and exercise, can help to reduce the risk of cancer and improve your overall health. Ignoring portion control. Eating large portions, especially high-calorie foods, can lead to weight gain and increase the risk of cancer. Yes, that's correct. Ignoring portion control and eating large portions, especially high-calorie foods, can lead to weight gain and increase the risk of cancer. Consuming more calories than your body needs can cause you to gain weight, which can increase the risk of cancer and other health problems. Additionally, many high-calorie foods are also high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, and salt, which can increase the risk of cancer and other health problems. Eating large portions of these foods can also displace healthier food options in your diet and lead to nutrient deficiencies. To reduce the risk of cancer and maintain a healthy weight, it's important to practice portion control and pay attention to the size and calorie content of the foods you eat. Using a food scale, measuring cups, and nutrition labels can help you to accurately determine portion sizes and make healthier food choices. Eating slowly and taking the time to enjoy your food can also help you to be more mindful of your portions and prevent overeating. Eating regular, balanced meals that include a variety of nutrient-dense foods can also help to support a healthy weight and reduce the risk of cancer. In conclusion, making small changes to your diet, such as incorporating more fruits and vegetables, controlling portion sizes, and avoiding processed foods, can help reduce the risk of cancer. Additionally, maintaining a healthy weight through regular exercise and a balanced diet can also play a crucial role in reducing cancer risk.